Good morning, y'all. So this is Cindy Jones. Welcome to my channel and welcome back. So this morning I'm headed to go to the gym. I got up early this morning after I dropped off my daughter. Well, basically after I dropped off my daughter, I hurry up and started packaging up these orders because I was like, I need to go to the gym this week. So I'm gonna start it off by going today, this morning on a Monday. Like I said, they don't let us record in there for whatever reason. I don't know why, but I respect it. So I'm gonna see y'all once I get back home, okay?
Yeah, I take it for the road. Yeah, I take a glass for the road. People change, you know how it go. Had to rearrange the digits on my phone. Feels like they wanna take the source off of me. Looking at mine like it's your property. When we just tryna ball properly. I ain't talking small, I want all the money. Hooper, all through your city, I'm a hooper. You do me, I'ma do ya. Full time, we gon' see who's the loser. Amen, hallelujah. All through your city, I'm a hooper.
Hey y'all, so I am done packaging orders. I've been packaging orders and like been busy the past 2 days, so that's why I haven't been vlogging. Like, I literally just been packing orders. I think I went like viral again on TikTok. So like, I think one of those days I had like 100 orders, y'all. I was like, thank you. So I was like, let me get to it. So now I'm up to date on my orders, thank God. But nevertheless, it's early in the morning. The post office opened up probably like 20 minutes ago. And I am headed out the door to go to Target, probably Bath and Body Works, because I need to pick up these 3 hand lotions that I brought. And I'm gonna go to Marshall's. I want to get this like mirror vanity to put in on my vanity. It's not too big, but I want one because the small one that I got is not holding charge, and I'm gonna show y'all in a couple minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna just go run some errands because yo, we're been busy all week. Today is Thursday and I've been making soap since Monday. Okay. Right here is an Impressions vanity. I think I got this from Marshall's like probably 2 years ago or not. But I charge it and it holds battery literally for like 5 minutes and it keep dying. So I probably want to get something like a little more bigger to, you know, because I'm starting to do back my makeup. So I want it to look very cute, y'all.
You call it, or do you call it? Yeah, you know what you call that, don't lie, baby. Lying to my eyes, but they your vibe with me, I ain't surprised. No, I'm still trying to find millies. Gotta call another time, cause my line busy.
They got these right here. These are real cute. I'm trying to see if I can find me like a medium. I'm gonna see if nah, this extra small not gonna fit. So right now, I seen this purse. It's real cute. This is it. I wanted the silver version, but I don't see it. I'm thinking about if I want to get this bag or not. So this is the bag. This one right here, and then they have this one right here. I was thinking about this one. It looks more cuter. And it's bigger, right? Do you think like all her folders?
What's that thing on the hook?
What hook? These to like put little stuff in them. It's on sale. I seen these 2 bags right here. This one right here. This one cute. I like it. And then they have this one. How much are these bags? They $15. This one for $15. It's very cute. They 30% off too, so yeah. But this one probably might only be able to fit. It says it's detachable. I guess it only could fit like your phone in there. I don't know. If this 15, how much is this one? This one 25 is the extra $10.
Yeah.
Let me look at the inside. Yeah, this is like a little cute like dinner bag. It's giving like dinner vibes. This bag giving dinner vibes. But I'm gonna go try them on in the mirror to make sure that I really like it before I grab it. So this all the Christmas stuff right here. It's so cute. They even got stuff for the dogs. Look at the dog stuff. If it focus, y'all, my camera be tripping and bugging. This is cute. They got the little shoes. The little pretty little shoes. They got like a lot of nice stuff. These sets are pretty. Oh my, this is the first bag. This is very cute. I think I might get this one. This is like real pretty. I'm gonna get this. But I'm definitely gonna probably get the silver one. I don't know if I'm gonna really get this color. So I got these pants because they looked so cute. But why when I tried them on, they looked a hot mess. And then I got these jeans, but I didn't get the top. But I did get those jeans because it was squeezing the body real good. So I ended up getting those jeans. They were like $9, y'all, on clearance. So I ended up getting them. They are a little big, but I'm going to make them work and stuff. But they were real cute. Try this one out. Fresh and... what is this called? Fresh and Cozy. I'm going to try this one out and see if I like it. I just smelled it. It smells good, but I'm going to try it out. So I ended up at Bath and Body Works, and I was smelling the Christmas collection, y'all, and it smelled, I'm not a big fan of it at all. The only thing I did get was a champagne toast. That one they just basically put on a sticker so it could look like the holiday, but like all that stuff that they have for like Christmas, y'all, I'm not a big fan. What y'all think? Like, what do y'all like? Let me know in the comments so I can try it out. But what I was smelling today, I was not a fan of none of it. All right, y'all, so we are heading back home. I found me some good smelling candles, y'all. They smell amazing. And I got my mirror from Marshall's. I got my mirror from Marshall's. So once I get home, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. So I did have an online pickup order. So I had ordered these hand lotions. They were like $1.50 a piece. So I got winter candy apple. Ooh, I got sweet whiskey, which I just smelled it and I do not like how it smells. And then I got champagne toast. This one smells amazing. It's that rough, you know. Then I got a free lotion. It's called Pure Wonder. It smells really good, but me personally, I'm not a big fan of like all those perfume scents and stuff. I'm just not a big fan of those. And then I got me 4 candles. It was $17 in total. They have it sale for $5.50, and then I had a 25% coupon. I got the champagne toast. If you know, you know. It's that girl. Then I got sun drenched lemon. I guess it has crisp apple and soft musk. When I tell y'all, like, this smells amazing. Like, it just smells good. It smells really, really good. And then I got mahogany teak wood. If you're not into like wood scents and stuff like that, then it's not gonna be for you, but it smells very good. I like how it smells. Last but not least, I got this right here. If it focus, it's called Golden Berry Mistletoe. I guess this is part of the Christmas collection that I got. When I tell y'all, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I guess it says it has berry, sugared spruce, if that's how you're pronouncing it, but y'all, that smells so good. And I haven't shopped at Bath and Body Works in a long time. Like, I had to take a break from buying any candles, but I'm back. All right, so from Target, I did get a few things, stuff I didn't really need. But I did get me this. I think I showed y'all earlier. I got this. Which one is this called? Fresh and Cozy. I didn't see this last time I went, but these are the type of lotions I like. I like stuff like that. I don't like all that hardcore perfume. I'm not a fan of it, y'all. And then I got me some cleaning stuff, like house stuff. I got these 2 wallets. They are so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see the texture on the camera, but it has like a texture to it. It's like so pretty. So I got that, and I got this orange one. And then I got me this Tropical Glow Tea Tree Hut scent. I never tried this one before, so I got me this one. Let me see what it smells like. I don't know, I can't just describe it, but it do smell like a tropical scent. So I got that. And I did get me this dry body brush. I seen some girl on TikTok was talking about that helps her with exfoliating down there. She said she doesn't use anything, she just scrubs down there. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. It sounded like it hurt, but I brought it because she said it worked, so I'm gonna try it out. I like to try new things out. Then I got me this kitchen rug. It's like a fall. Y'all know this was only $4.50. Like, they're already starting to put fall stuff on like clearance, so I got that only for $4. A few things like clothes wise, I did get this bag too. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I end up just getting only this bag. This was the last one that they had left, so I end up getting it. It looks so cute and like real cute and bougie. I love it. It's like really pretty. I end up spending like $98 today at Target. I got me 3 shirts. They were like $5 a pop. I got them jeans. If you seen it earlier, then you know that the type of jeans I end up getting those jeans. That's the only jeans I end up getting. And then I end up getting my daughter a book bag for school, which is not important. I just had to get her a new one for school. So on to Marshall's, last but not least. I spent $72 at Marshall's. So I got me this water pick. Is that what it's called? I got me this rechargeable portable water flossing system. I've been dying for one of these like so bad. Like the ones that they have at Walmart, they are $60 or $70, I believe. It's $60 or $70, but this one was only $24.99, right? Yeah, it was $24.99, which is not bad. So I'm gonna try it out, and you could bring this traveling, so that's a plus for me. I could bring that while I'm going to all these countries. This is the next thing that I got, you guys. Y'all know these are real cheap at Marshall's. Like, I thought it's because they were expired, but I checked and it don't expire till May 2024. So I got this. It was $8 because I have a very hard time sleeping. Like, I sleep for like 2 hours, get up, go to sleep for an hour, get right back up. So I'm gonna try this out this weekend. It come with 60 for $8, which is not a bad deal. I wonder how much it costs at Target. So if you want like 50 from Target, or 60, how much this is? 60. If you want 60 from Target, y'all, it is $15, $14.99 at Target, y'all. Mind y'all, I literally just got this only for $7.99. So I think I got it basically for half the price. I already know that they're already having holiday scrubs. This Tree Hut was $5.99, and I just spent $8 for one at at Target. So this is the scent right here. When I tell y'all, this smells amazing. It smells ooh. So I end up grabbing me one. I don't know how to describe this smell, but it smells real good. So I decided to get that. And last but not least, I got my vanity. This is it right here. I'm gonna plug it up and see if I like it. Once I clean up my room, you guys, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks and stuff. It says LED, but I wonder, is it battery operated, or like how does it work? No, it says that you plug it in. So this is what I got. I'm so excited. But nevertheless, I think that's about it, right? Yeah, that's about it. Everything that I got today. I'm about to go lay down. I'm tired. I'm about to go lay down and stuff like that, and put all the stuff away later. But yeah, I'm about to go make some content for TikTok, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Good morning, y'all. So I am getting ready to go to Target again. I want to have a spooky night with my husband, so I'm about to get ready to go over there and see what I find, go to Dollar Tree. And I also want to go swing by Sephora. It is 10 o'clock. I think they opened up about an hour ago. They having like this Sephora collection for 30% off. I seen 2 things that I want, so hopefully I do find it. They do say they have it in stock. But yeah, and then I need to come back and clean my house, because my house is like upside down. Like, I'm so embarrassed to even show y'all. And that's about it, y'all. So I'm about to get ready to start my day, and I'm gonna see y'all in these streets. Hi, do you know where's this is what I'm looking for. The powder puff. I think it's from you guys' collection. Oh, it's that big? Oh my god.
It's pretty big.
Oh, because I'm trying to use it for under my eye. I didn't know it was that big.
Okay.
But I'll still try it out.
Yeah, you can still try it with like the
yeah.
tip of it to see if it'll work under the eye, but
I need me like a cart so I could like put all this stuff in. I'm gonna get this one right here. Which one is it? Busy? I'm gonna grab me this one. That one is cute. I'm done shopping. I couldn't find anything like at these stores, like all the Halloween projects, decor, whatever you want to call it. It's all gone. I couldn't find anything. Thank God I had some decor that I already brought in the beginning of the month that's on my bar card, but like there's nothing like when it comes to like doing an activity with my husband. I can't find anything, so I'm trying to see if I want to either do it tonight or wait and do everything with my daughter when she comes back. I'm not sure, to be honest, exactly like what I really want to do, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all my haul once I get home. Just got home from these stores. I'm so hungry, like real life hungry. So I got my daughter some socks, which I ain't gonna show her, they ain't important. So I got this funfetti, which is this. I got this, but I just read, I need to read, it just said that it don't even come with any frosting, so I basically just paid for the chocolate mix. Like, be for real. I got that, and I got these two for me and my daughter this week. Like, her birthday is the day after Halloween, so I got these two for us to eat popcorn together. And then I end up getting this Halloween cupcake kit, which I'm probably gonna use that on Monday or Tuesday with my daughter. And it comes with like these skeleton skull heads, or whatever you want to call them. I got this gel food color. I don't know why I got it. I just got it. Don't know why I got it, but I just got it. And then I got this bra, but child, y'all want to see that. I said Target. I did stop at Sephora because I told you I was gonna stop by there and get stuff. Y'all, that Sephora inside Kohl's, it was so empty. That's how I like it. I don't like to be cluttered. I don't like none of that. So I end up getting this. This is what I mainly came for. I came for this face puff because, like I told you, I seen this lady on YouTube was saying like she used a face puff, and I believe she said she got it from Sephora. So this is like very huge for your face, so I don't know how I'm gonna use it. And then remember I told y'all Tamara from YouTube, if you know her, she real big. She said something about getting this gloss, and not today. I end up getting this, so I can't wait to try it. And then I also end up getting this one called Busy. I don't know, let me see if y'all can see the texture on it. That one is fire. It looks very nice. So that's the only two things that I got from Sephora, y'all. I'm not a Sephora girl. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Like, I don't shop at Sephora, like, for real. Fire. This is the mirror that I end up getting. It's like, it's so fire. I'm gonna put this inside my closet. It's so pretty. It's so, it comes in purple, white, and I think green it comes in. But y'all, snag this.